That's too easy.
Well, we want to keep spinning and not cut power. Holy smokes.
We're gonna die.
We made it.
That was a cool trip. I don't think it's gonna be bad here.
It might be deeper than what it looks, though. Yeah, it's deep. It's deep.
We made a plow for Papa.
No, they made it.
They made it.
Yeah, we got one good lane now.
Yeah, the right side is.
Yeah, that's 3 or 4 feet deep there in the road.
Yeah.
It's hard to tell how deep they are when you're coming up on them.
Oh, this one looks pretty good.
This looks pretty bad here.
Oh, we made it.
Oh my gosh, we're dragging bottom big time.
Bottom?
Yeah. Come on, truck.
Come on, we got this.
Oh man.
God.
Oh, we just barely made that one.
Oh.
We gotta pick up some speed for this next one though.
Ah.
Oh, this is a big one. Oh, did you see the snow coming out the sides? Holy cow, another one.
Oh, gosh.
Come on, truck. Come on, truck. Come on, baby. Oh no, it's killing power.
Papa's not coming.
I don't doubt it. Come on, get over to the right just a little bit.
Go on! Come on, come on.
Oh, we got it, we got it, we got it.
Don't stop.
As soon as the front tires hook up, we're good.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Just keep going.
Good job, Chevy. The old Duramax is plowing.
This one's deep.
We got to pick up a bunch of speed. Holy cow. Oh, big one. Oh, holy cow. This, I don't know if we're going to make this.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, we're doing it, though. We're getting her. Oh, whew, man.
Oh, that was easy.
Oh, come on, come on. He ain't gonna get her now.
He made it. Coming back. Come on, man, that's too easy. They're back there anymore.
I'm not even looking for them. We'll go back for them.
Yeah.
We can't turn around in here, so we got to make it all the way.
Yeah, we just gotta plow.
We're almost there, though.
We are?
Yeah, we're getting close.
I gotta record with both hands.
That's rough.
It is. Gotta guard.
Who's it yet?
Hit it. Big snowdrift up here.